Hi, I'm Tom with Dependable Oxygen, and I'm going to go over how to operate a portable oxygen cylinder and the regulator. So if you just got home from the hospital, generally you'll have a tank with you. So I'm going to show you how to change the tank. Inside there's a regulator. On your wrench, it'll tell you on and off, so the direction wherever it goes. This tank, I've run it dry and it's empty, but I'm going to shut the valve off so it goes clockwise and counterclockwise opens it. Okay, so I'm going to shut that off. I'm going to take this regulator off. Now, I'm going to take this off. You're going to look for these two holes there, and then the oxygen comes out there. Now if I was to open this up right now, all the oxygen escapes from right there. So this regulator, there's a washer that's right here. I won't take it out, but there's a washer right there that comes out, and basically that rubber washer seals between the cylinder face and the regulator face. Okay, so what you want to look for is these two prongs. They fit in those two holes, so this will fit in. You'll tighten that in and then get this tight. Hand tight is fine. Now again, we're going to put this on. I'm going to open up the valve, and you can see you go this way for on. Now the pressure gauge went up to 2,000, if you can see that. As you use this, the pressure will drop down to 0, and then you'll need to change tanks. Also right here, there is a liter flow gauge. You'll adjust that to your prescribed flow. So I've got it there on 3. There we go on 2. So now I've got 2 liters of oxygen coming through. When I'm done using this and I want to switch back to my concentrator, you'll only use these when you leave the house. The concentrator you'll use in the home. But when I'm done with this, I've simply closed that valve, and if you watch the pressure gauge, it drops off to 0. Then it's good to go next time you want to use it. All right, that's basically how to run a cylinder, the regulator, and the cylinder wrench. Contact us at 435-882-0055 if you have any other questions. Thanks.